We live in a world when we are in a constant hurry. This world disconnects us from our senses and our feelings and our true self. We are rushing, we are not chewing very well. We swallow food in chunks just to get our stomach full. But this behavior is not satisfying for us. The fullness comes from our brain. The taste from food goes into signals to the brain, and we can feel that taste in our stomach. If we are in a rush and we are not chewing very well, we'll end up with a full stomach and a constant hunger.